Good morning, welcome back to my channel. We're having breakfast. Look what the chef's whipped up. Talk us through your creation.
We have
She's stunning.
Smoked mackerel with black pepper. Let me start that again. Oh my god, I look like a tramp as well.
Morning vibes.
We've got some smoked mackerel. Hey, show them the food. We've got some smoked mackerel with salt and pepper. We've got some scrambled eggs, mushrooms and avocado, all seasoned to perfection.
Delicious. Oh, so excited. And what are we doing today? We're gonna go gym and then we're probably just gonna go out for dinner, aren't we? I reckon.
Play some Stardew Valley maybe.
Yeah, we like Stardew Valley. That's our game. Yeah, and we just finished watching Harry Potter, didn't we? We're going to Harry Potter Studios in like 2 weeks. So that's the reasoning behind that.
This is fire, man.
Well, yeah, I have to try. I've never had smoked mackerel before. I don't know if I've even had mackerel before. Nice. Kind of tastes like chicken, but spicy. Not spicy, smoky. Do you not think?
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, the texture.
Texture maybe.
Yeah, not taste, texture. Really nice.
Chicken breast too.
Yeah. Nice.
The boring one.
I like it. We are off to the gym. Let me shine a little light. I need to figure out how to make the settings on this a bit better, but we'll get there. So yeah, we're going to the gym. We're actually going to Pure Gym, which I'm not a big fan of. Roll. And we're going to train upper, but like full upper, so like push and pull. My boyfriend's hurt his shoulder, I think. So yeah, we're going to see how that goes, but we're going to go train in that. I'm going to bring the tripod and the camera, which is going to be really funny because I've never seen anyone in there with a tripod. I feel like in JD where I go, everybody has tripods, like it's kind of just the vibe. And here I'm like, oh, I feel like everyone's going to think I'm a weirdo, but we'll vlog our workout anyway. It'll be fun. So yeah, full upper body today. The best thing about Pure Gym is this flavoured water. What flavour have you got?
Coconut and pineapple.
Delicious. What's in the way? My shit, I know. Maybe that's why nobody has ever has a tripod in here. I've never seen anyone with one, but maybe because there's nowhere to put them. I've never started with flies before. Boyfriend's orders. They're a lot easier when you've not just done chest press. As discussed pre-workout, the boyfriend has hurt his shoulder, so we're shoulder pressing alone. Got our favourite machine. I'm actually on my third set. Ellis just hopped in, so hence it being heavy. It does feel heavier here than JD, but you know, I think you just get used to like the same setup. Let's go. Ouch. Really like this machine, really feel it. Guys, I swear, they never normally play music in here. We've got it all going on today. Party vibes. Right, we're gonna do some lat pull downs. Ellis is off doing arms because he's hurt his lat and shoulder. Not today. I think the shoulder was at Ninja Warrior and the lat was, I don't know what he did to his lat, but so yeah, so we've ventured off today. Very nice lat pull down, it's very smooth. is it? How was your workout?
It was okay.
It was okay. You've got a poorly shoulder and lat, haven't you?
This is 28. This is 28.
Old age is kicking in. We're gonna go and try the Costa. What are they called? Hot milkshake. Is that right? Did I get it right? Is that right? Hot milkshake.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go and try that. I've seen a TikTok of a girl saying they weren't that nice, but we're gonna try it because you've got to formulate your own opinions on things, haven't you? Here we are, good old Costa coffee. So what flavours are there? White chocolate and strawberry. So I think it's salted caramel and chocolate, the other ones.
Chocolate hazelnut, yeah, sort of caramel.
We don't know what flavour. We're just gonna get one and share it and try because what if they're not nice, you know? Apparently it's like thick. I've got the nice water in here from the gym. Got coconut and pineapple.
I don't know what flavour's the best. Have you tried them?
I personally feel like Paragon. I like chocolate.
The chocolate one?
Chocolate.
We're going to go for that one.
There we go. They recommended the chocolate hazelnut, guys.
Whatever the smallest size is on that.
That's what we're going for.
No.
Nah.
No, thank you.
Just one.
Yeah.
£4.50.
We're going to do it here or go?
Should we take away?
Yeah, take away, please.
Yeah.
Need a thick drink. Weird.
Right, guys, we've done our taste test. The verdict is it's basically a milkshake. No, basically a hot chocolate, but it's £4.50. It's just a bit thicker. Like, and I would say, like, say if you get a Mackey's hot chocolate, that's thick anyway. So I feel like it's just literally a Mackey's hot chocolate with a bit. This we got chocolate hazelnut, so hazelnut flavour too. It's all right. I wouldn't get it again, but I do actually think it's quite nice. Probably you could get a nicer hot chocolate though, I'd just say. Would you? We've been commercialised. We're back. We're on our way to Thai Kitchen in Kenilworth for dinner. Not been here before, so it should be nice. We love Thai food. So yeah, we're just going now. What are you gonna get? Do you think?
No idea.
No, me either. I need to have a look at the menu, but it should be nice. Really though, it's not far from Cov, so we'll see you in there. We're here. It's on the menu. It's far too dark. You cannot see. They've got loads of stuff. The restaurant is so cute. Give you a little. This is the vibe. I don't know what I want today. Anything Thai. Anything. Okay guys, our food is here. I've got jungle curry with prawns, which is new for me. I normally just get Thai curry, but I thought mix it up. It's spicy and it's got veggies in. What have you got?
Duck red curry, I think. Duck red curry. Coconut rice.
Got coconut rice and these salt and pepper chips. I'm excited to eat this. Taste test.
We've got a grape in this.
A grape.
So odd.
Oh, this is a lovely flavour. It is spicy. Tastes like
They say very, very spicy.
red Thai curry, but more watery and spicy.
Thai curry is watery.
No, but this is definitely like waterier. So nice. Guys, Ellis's curry has got grapes in it. How
It
random.
works.
It's nice though.
It works.
We're back. How was your Thai food?
It was amazing.
That's
actually.
very nice. Then we finished it off with the McFluzzer. Delicious.
And the person couldn't count.
So they gave us the wrong change.
So you got it.
So it was really cheap McFlurry. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. I definitely recommend that place. It's called Thai Kitchen in Kenilworth. It was really nice. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video next Sunday. Bye.